Hey guys, this is Brian. I'm here to talk to you about post-production, and to do that post-production I'm going to make a video entirely in post-production. So I hope you enjoy. Now, post-production isn't all editing on the computer. Sometimes you have to start off by finding your media and getting it organized, which can be a pain in the ass, seeing that you will most likely get way too much footage to handle, which is why people in that industry give the job to the newbie or intern that has to log and label every clip that has to go into a film. Now, you can imagine this causes stress, lots of stress, with deadlines causing you to stay up in the wee hours of the night. Hold on, you'll sense a theme. Now, once all the capture is done, it's time to move all the pieces around and create a narrative. Here's a quick video of me making this. Mind you, this is only the first 38 seconds of the film, but imagine how weird it is to edit this. Anyways, see that I'm using a digital editor. This type of editor is common now in film and is built to resemble an old cutting table. Notice the main preview window on the right, miscellaneous clip windows slightly to the left, and sequence layout on the bottom. This whole basic layout is used throughout almost all serious movie editors, whether you're using Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even Avid. They all follow the same basic format. Now, to get away from some of the dry stuff, I want to relate back to a classic NES game that we all hide deep in our hearts. Snoopy's Sports Spectacular. That's right, Snoopy's Silly Sports Spectacular. What were you expecting, something else? Snoopy's Sports Spectacular is made in April 1989 and is pretty much the NES low-budget form of Wii Sports. The story is Snoopy travels to Italy to do sports. Yeah. Anyways, I specifically chose the River Jump because it's a simple game that can relate to editing. Just because you know exactly where you want to go. It's simple, you just can't seem to achieve it. Now, to win at this game, you need to rapidly push the A button, and then once you get at the end of the lake, you hit the B button, tap a weird combination on the D-pad, and you'll eventually get past. Now, right here on the other side of the grass is a metaphor for a good edit. If Snoopy makes it over to the other side, then you won't have to go back and change a thing on your edit. Just like this game. I know I want to get to the other side, but I just can't seem to do it. You see what I mean? This isn't even a quarter of my attempts, and I still can't even make it across that stupid river. Fuck this game. Eventually, you'll figure out how to make that at work, put the pieces together, and go to sleep. Now, once all the pieces are put together, it's time to go polish or make small changes, most common being audio problems such as volume, tone, and digital pops. Once that's all done, it's time to export or turn it in or upload or whatever it is that amateur filmmakers do. Now, I just want to say this is all based off of my experience and my belief in how film editing works for amateurs. And I also want to say I did this pretty much all in production and post-production. I swear I did not plan it all, if that gives me any credit.